Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited today. You guys don't know what, I'm so excited. As you can see, as the intro, you can see the big boss I just brought in. Oh my goodness, that boss is full of surprise. It's gonna be a surprise. It's a surprise to me, and it's gonna be a surprise to you guys. Like, I'm so happy, and I can't wait to start tearing out those those cartons. And if you know you're new to this channel, my name is Blessing, and you are definitely welcome. And my return subscribers, thank you guys for always tuning in on my video. So guys, yeah, we have this big, like, look how big it is. So here we have a newer ring light inside this box. Can you imagine? So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. I've waited so long to get this newer ring light. Finally, it has arrived. And guys, let me tell you something. Hubby bought me this ring light for Valentine's gift. Yeah, Valentine's gift. He bought it for me as a one of my Valentine's gift. I think I'm open holistically. That should be a secret, no? Okay. So, like, I'm so happy, and like, I can't wait to unbox it with you guys, set it, and let's test it. Yeah. So, without wasting for the time, let's just get right into the video and start. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Okay. Here is another box. Oh my goodness. Check this. So let's tear it open. Yeah. I think we still have one more thing inside. Wow. Okay, I guess this is the standing. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Oh. And this is the screw. Let's open it. Here is. What? Oh my goodness, guys, look how big it is, guys. This ring light actually is that I think when my husband got it, he didn't tell me that he was buying this ring light. That's one thing, it was a gift. But and the other thing is that after I was at home, he went to work. So after I received I was the one that received the package. So when he got home, he told me like, it's for you, it's a gift for you. And then I asked like, how much did you buy? He actually bought this 100 and something euros, and it was on Amazon Prime. Yeah, we got this from Amazon Prime. That's why it was even shipped to be like 100 and something euros, I guess. So yeah. So now we are going to just start. Let's fix it. Finished installing the ring lights. If you want to on it, there's is it called button, or there's a control down here. Just turn it to your right, and then it comes up like this is the fullest. And if you want to lower it, you can decide to lower it. And yeah, that's it. Let's test it out, guys. Like right now, there's nothing. I haven't turned on the light, so I have to turn on the light now. Wow, see this, guys? This is so amazing. And this is me using the white white light. Is it called the white light? Because actually this is the orange. So let's put on the orange and let's see how it's going to look. Okay guys, so I've installed the orange, so let's turn it on. This is from the lowest, so I'm bringing it up. Let's take it higher. Wow. And this is the fullest, guys. You can see how it looks. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's adjust the light backward and see ourselves. Yeah, so this is it. This is freaking amazing, guys. I'm so in love with this light. Guys, it's so big. This is 18. It's so big. This is freaking big, like extremely big, and it's really good. And guys, I think I'm going to be using this maybe for makeup. I guess so. Maybe for makeup. And guys, let me show you guys the light I was using before. You can pretty see this was the light that I was using before. Even here got broken, and I have to use this tape to tape it up. So it's crazy, guys. I love this. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I've shown you. So if you find this video interesting, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell in case if I post a new video, you won't miss out. And my retained subscribers, thank you so much. So we have another light video back to back. You know what I mean? So see you all on my next video, and do not forget to watch my previous video. One love and stay connected.